Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Apple Intelligence in Settings and confirming your Apple ID is consistent across devices. Next, install or update the Chatgpt app and grant microphone, camera, and shortcuts permissions so integrations work. Once done, create a focused prompt folder inside Chatgpt with clear goals, context, and any data sources you want the model to reference. This immediate setup reduces friction. You get functionality and privacy working together. While preparing prompts, you can refine as you proceed. You now connect Chatgpt to Apple Intelligence using shortcuts. Create a shortcut that sends a pre-filled prompt, includes device context, and routes the reply back to notes or messages. Make sure to allow on-device context and recent file access so Apple Intelligence can add relevant details. Once done, test 3 prompt styles, simple instruction, multi-step workflow, and example-based prompts, and compare results. This core experimentation teaches you which pattern yields concise, accurate outputs for your tasks. You finish by automating the workflows you validated. Schedule shortcuts or assign Siri phrases for repeated use and export templates for reuse. Once done, maintain a small prompt change log so you can roll back improvements and keep consistent results. If something breaks, first check permissions, then sign out and back into your Apple ID and reauthorize Chatgpt access. This often resolves sync or context issues. If that fails, rebuild the shortcut with minimal steps to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.